future and start updating the fleet and get some things rolling for the upcoming season. So with that, we are putting our 2018 Kenworth cabin chassis Concord 40 meter Z-boom up for sale. Well, it's time to make room for the new. So as many of y'all have watched the videos, there's a couple of hundred videos of this truck pumping concrete. There's some current videos of it pumping concrete, and it is a well experienced and well oiled machine. It's got a new 90, new cannon, new deck pipe, turret out the top, the first two sections. We will finish the pipe out on the boom, so it'll have a complete new system on it. The pipe's not but a couple months old, if that. So we got new pipe. Wear parts are probably 60% or so. We'll raise it up. Probably about 60% on the wear parts. They're not too bad. As you've seen in videos, we change them out once a year, whether they need it or not. And if we don't sell it this winter, we'll change the parts out on that. But it's got new tires on it. On both sides. It could use a little bit of degreasing, but you know, it's a concrete pump. You don't want the grease to be gone. You want grease on it. All this is pretty good, straight. Good front steer tires. 445 is what those are. So, it's in good shape there. Everything works. It's got a current, fresh boom inspection. Everything checked out on it. We've got the paperwork for that. Just trying to give you all the lowdown. Really good truck. It's just time to trade up, and get some more tax advantages off of a new one for us. So it's got the Scan Rico remote. Trying to think, y'all ask some questions. I guess I'll leave my email in the description, and that we're asking $289,999.99 for this particular unit. You can check it out. You can go to concretepumping.com and look at the used equipment there. We're in the ballpark, and that's about $200,000 off of a brand new one. So yeah, just can't keep them forever. That's unfortunate, but the tax advantage has run out on it, and all that. Like I said, it's a 2018 cabin chassis Kenworth T880 and a 2018 40 meter Z-boom, manufactured by Concord pumps. So I'm just trying to guess, guys. It's pretty clean, pretty straight. We've had to straighten the steps a couple times, which has to be, you know, understandable. There's a look at the tires here. Like I said, the tires are new. Steer tires are a little bit older than the back tires. The back tires are only a couple months old. They're not that old. They're not even a year old either. Really good. Let's look at the mileage on the truck. Oh. 90,775 miles. So right there's the engine hours. I got 9,621 hours, engine hours. So that's not very many. Let's see what else we got here. It's an Allison transmission. It is an automatic. That is a big thing. Allison transmission. Engine. We don't know what that is. The Packard MX-13. Just kind of scrolling through here. Chassis. I wonder what this is. Oh. Fuel economy. Screen business setting. We'll have it 6 years this summer. I don't know why I did that. So, yeah. Needs a little cleaning in here. Not too bad. Other than that, I mean, this thing has got a lot of life left in her. One thing with this pump though, the digital screen is starting to go out, but it's at 1100 hours back here. I'm not sure how accurate that is. My guess, if I was going to guess, I would say this truck has somewhere between this pump, probably somewhere between 13 to 1500 pump hours on it. It's showing 11. I'm not sure about that. But anyway, I just, you know, want to be straight up with y'all on that part. But I would think this truck probably has somewhere around 13 to 1500 hours on it. I do not trust that. So, all right. But yeah, she's clean. Have a fresh boom inspection to go with it. Makes somebody a great pump. $289,999. $289,999. So go out and make a lot of money with this thing. But anyway, there's my email in the description. There's an email on the bottom of the screen. I can email some more pictures if you need more pictures, or if you want to come see this thing pump, you can come see this thing pump. If you want to come operate it, you can come operate it if you're interested in buying. I'm not just letting any... You better know how to use a pump if you show up here and want to operate it. I promise you that, or you get run off. But there you go. That's been one of the icons, one of the main staples of the Muddyfeet concrete pumping channel right there. So unfortunately, out with the old and then we'll end with the new. And for you manufacturers that watch the channel, if you do, I have not picked out a pump yet. It's going to be around a 40 meter, similar to this one is what we're going to want. So contact me on my email. Some of y'all know have my phone number, and tell me what you got and see if we can't make a deal. And I could trade this in too. I will, you know, but I'll make a little more money off of it if I sell it outright. So, but leave comments below. Tell me what you think. We'll make it. We'll put somebody a good pump together. All right. Y'all be careful. Be safe. Thank y'all.